Hi, my name is Adrian from Adrian's Heating, Cooling, and Appliance Repair, and today we're installing an air purifier. An air purifier both ionizes and sanitizes the air circulating in your house. This kills bacteria and allergens and promotes clean air. It's a product we offer and install. Just book an appointment at adrianshvac.com. So let's get started. And this is the air purifier, and we're going to install it right over here. We're going to make a hole in the ductwork and then mount it and wire it into the furnace. So before we get started, make sure the power is off, and then we'll cut a hole. So we just marked for the air purifier, and it requires a 3-inch hole, and then we'll make a hole in the middle and then cut around to make the space for the air purifier. So we had to move the starter a little more to the right to make room for the screws to mount. This is our starter hole, and now we use sheet metal shears to cut around to make the hole bigger. These are sheet metal shears. We use these to cut the hole in the sheet metal, which will make room for the air purifier. So let's get that started. So here is our hole all cut out. Now we get the air purifier and with these 3 mounts, we'll screw it right onto the sheet metal, and then we'll have to wire the rest in. So the air purifier is installed with sheet metal screws, nice and snug, and the air purifier actually has a gasket where it seals itself onto the metal so no air will get sucked in from the sides here. Now, to finish this up, we have to wire in the power to the air purifier. So how we do that is we drag the wires down here, bring it into the furnace, and then we gotta wire in the hot and neutral. So let's do that before we go any further. Okay, we got it all wired in. And now let's put everything back together, turn it on, and see how it operates. Okay, we got the cover back on, turn the power here, and then let's turn on the air purifier. There's the green light. This is working and operating now, and because of this, the filter is going to get a lot dirtier a lot quicker, because when it ionizes the air, the dirt that sits around on the shelves, on the floor, on the cabinets get brought back out, and then the furnace sucks it in and puts it on the filter. And that's why it's good to change your filters monthly. Some filters say they're up to 2 months to 3 months. On those filters, the way they word is up to doesn't necessarily mean it will last. So if you have pets, or a lot of times a lot of open windows to bring in fresh air, a lot of dust in the air, a lot of carpet, this 2 months or 3 months filters don't necessarily last that long. So it's good to check them monthly or change them out monthly. If you want centralized air purification for your house, book an appointment at adrianshvac.com, and I will see you soon.